So before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and you want to make an extra $100 extra per month, there's a company called Play Octopus that will send you a free tablet to put in your car. You just have to use our link below. You put the tablet in your car, your passengers can play games, and you as a driver make an extra up to $100 per month. Sign up for Play Octopus with the link down below. It's free to sign up. They're pretty much nationwide now, so use the link, start making an extra $100 a month, and let's get started. Uber Eats drivers go on strike. This is the next topic. You want to read this one?
Yeah. So Uber Eats drivers in
Slough.
Anyways, Windsor and Maidenhead strike over pay.
Look at this. About 300 drivers got together during the weekend to strike. It looks pretty fun.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, a good way to make friends.
Yeah, they need like beer pong tables and stuff. Or ping pong tables.
Yeah.
There's no drinking and driving, but like, or foosball tables maybe.
Yeah.
Or what's the other one? What's it called? Air hockey.
Yeah.
So here, you want to read this?
Yeah, so they protested diabolical pay and conditions.
Yeah, 300 Uber Eats drivers protested diabolical pay and conditions.
I don't know if I'd use the word diabolical to describe it.
I mean, with Uber Eats, I've gone out and done Uber Eats, and I've only made like $4 in 1 hour.
Oh.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Because I only got basically one delivery.
Oh.
And it was a super low one, and they didn't tip me.
Oh.
Yeah, look at this. Uber Eats drivers claim they are earning a diabolical $3. Is that euros or what?
Pounds, like British pounds.
Oh, is this in the UK?
Yeah.
Oh, this is in the UK. Okay. £3 minimum rate. But they are self-employed. They're responsible for their motor insurance, food delivery insurance, and fuel costs. The protest happened on Friday, October 7th. Saturday demanded Uber Eats increase the rate to $4.20.
Yes, you could be losing money.
Oh, yeah.
Being an Uber Eats driver.
Definitely. I wonder why they picked $4.20 too. I mean, I don't know. I'm just saying. $4.20, has some significant meaning.
Yeah, they just like to have some fun.
So you want to read this one? Lead campaigner right there.
So the lead campaigner, Zach Kahn, who works as a part-time Uber Eats driver, said they turned the app off at peak times, which is at 5 p.m. for 5 hours to boycott orders.
Oh, wow.
Wow, that's crazy. So he explained there are a lot of drivers driving vehicles that are unfit to be on the road because they can't afford to maintain their car with the pay that Uber is giving. This is the argument that we are putting towards Uber when you are taking away all the expenditure of actually doing the delivery and what it entails. They're not being realistic enough in covering the costs. I know Uber has had record profits over the last few years, especially during COVID because everyone was ordering food. So if they're succeeding in getting rewarded, I think everyone should be reaping the reward, especially when it's the drivers that are making these profits.
Exactly. Uber relies on drivers to make these healthy profits.
Yeah.
Without
the drivers, they wouldn't have anything. So.
Well said, Izzy. Well said. I think that deserves a round of applause for Izzy.
I mean, the drivers do all the work. Like, I think the drivers should be getting like a 70% cut.
At least.
Yeah, like minimum, like 70 to 80%.
And they should be getting free food too. Like, they should be getting... Uber should just add on, if they're going in and out, throw on an extra burger for the driver. Like, you know what I mean? Like, every other company, well, not every other company, but like a lot of companies, they provide meals to their workers.
Yeah, companies usually give you like things
What?
like discounts or like free stuff. Like Uber and Lyft, they don't give you anything.
Yeah, I used to work at a restaurant and we would get like a free meal every day. Or I worked at Starbucks, we get free
Yeah,
coffee. Like
at
Uber Eats
Starbucks, yeah,
drivers,
it's free stuff.
They should get one free meal a day. Like you're
Or
literally,
like free gas, like a free tank a week or every
yeah,
couple.
literally a free tank a week. Like, is that so hard, Uber? Like this is literally the bare minimum, and they're like, that's why you got workers going on strike and protesting X, Y, and Z. Like